Welcome back. Still watching hot commodities. Let's talk about the currencies then. In fact, the Indian Rupee ended the day with gains despite a strong dollar. The currency got a lot of support from equities. In fact, FIs have bought around 600 crores of equities in the cash segment today. That got a lot of help, and that's the weekly chart for you. 62.12 is finally what we have actually managed on the closing basis for Friday. Let's discuss these with our guests on the show, Vijay Bhamwani, along with, of course, Abhishek Goenka, who's the CEO of India Forex Advisors, also joining. Abhishek, let me start with you. What's the kind of outlook you have for rupee in the medium term? Ever since vote on account has happened, it has really stabilized. Probably FII flows also playing its own part. What's the near-term outlook?
I think it's quite range bound. If you look at the markets in the recent past, 61.80 to 63.30 is the kind of range the rupee has been holding. Majorly because we are not seeing any kind of fresh impetus coming out from international markets, and also in the local markets, I think data seem to have been improving in the last few data. If you look at the FDI data and if you look at the overall trade balance data. And before the elections, I think people are just waiting and watch mode. So I think it's more in a range right now. But if you talk about the medium-term perspective, we are still bullish on the US dollars. And I think on the downside, we are looking at 61.5 to be the base. On the higher side, if 63.30 breaks, then definitely we could see some more weakness in the Indian rupee.
Vijay, what about you? How you look at the rupee? I think you look at it more closely from the pair of euro. So what's your outlook there?
Ajay, I think I would agree with Abhishek because we are so ranged for quite a few weeks now that before 31st March is here, I would expect the euro and the USD to rally for one last time, a very strong rally in relative terms. I think 63.25 is what I would watch out from the USDINR. If you close above that, you could attempt a test of 64. Where the euro is concerned, the euro INR, I would watch 84.30 on the futures as a very strong support. On the upside, if 85.60 is overcome with higher volumes and open interest expansion, you're probably likely to see 86.5 also. These targets are, of course, of 31st March.
All right, Vijay, Abhishek, gentlemen, thanks a lot for joining us on the show. I'm afraid that that's all we have for you in this edition of Hot Commodities. Thanks a lot for watching. Rush Hour is up next with Tanya.